Now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Carson Vickroy.
Still got that tornado watch for Angelina, Nacogdoches, San Augustine, Sabine, and Shelby counties, but I think that will likely be canceled for at least the East Texas areas here in the not too distant future. If it doesn't, it expires at 1 o'clock, which is about 2 hours and 45 minutes away from right now. As we look at your live Viper radar picture, some showers and thunderstorms in San Augustine and Sabine counties, some heavy rain, lots of cloud to ground lightning, but as of right now, I am not seeing any signs of rotation across Sabine County, which is great news. They are seeing a much needed soaking rain, and they'll take it because we have not seen sufficient rain here over the last couple of weeks, really the last couple of months, which it has dried us out very, very quickly. But as we look at Futurecast front, it clears the area by 2 or 3 in the morning. We're dealing with a few breaks in the clouds. I think if you have outdoor plans, you're going to be fine. Tomorrow, we'll see a few clouds throughout the day, but generally we're looking clear. We'll see another front move through tomorrow, and that's going to reinforce high temperatures in the 50s and 60s, making it a fairly pleasant holiday. So some great news there. What's not so great is the fog that's moved in, and this is kind of what happens, I should say, when a storm system like what we have just seen moves through. The ground is saturated, temperatures fall to the dew point, you get condensation at the ground, you don't have wind to counteract this, and you get fog. So light winds, moisture, falling temperatures, higher dew points equals fog, and that's what we are dealing, and that's what we will deal on an off and on basis throughout the night. And it's very thick to our west. I mean, look at this. Our western counties in the Trinity Valley, you are socked in with fog, and that will continue to be the case here over the next several hours. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Still warm in Hempville. Temperature-wise, we are in the lower 70s. The atmosphere is fairly worked over in our southern counties with all that rain that has fallen there today. Dew points remain in the 60s, and that's part of the reason why we are seeing the fog. Temperatures in the 60s, dew points in the 60s. Not a lot of wiggle room for dry air to make its way in. 54 tonight. Storms come to an end by midnight. 68 degrees tomorrow afternoon with plenty of sunshine around. Here's a look at that travel forecast for Wednesday. We will see the best chance of storms over the eastern seaboard and up in the Pacific Northwest, where we will see another disturbance moving in. And for Thanksgiving Sunday, if you are waiting to travel until Thanksgiving, couple of areas that we will be watching to our north, but most of the south A-OK for travel. Next 7 days, so we will see lots of sunshine through Friday, a few showers and thunderstorms this weekend and early next week. Fairly cool as well. Highs in the 50s and 60s. We could see a few lows in the 30s as well later this week. In Deep East Texas, same deal. 60s, 70s for highs, lows in the 30s and 40s. Casey.